So there is something interesting about this profile broker that many people don't know about it, and in this video I'm going to be explaining it for you. So stay tuned to the end so that you will get all the full gist. So do you know that this broker is giving a free profile account? That is a free $1,000 profile account which you can just grab for free and trade with it. You don't need to buy or pay any amount for it, and it is absolutely free. And notice, this is not a demo account. This is a normal profile challenge account that this broker is going to be offering for free, and I'm going to be explaining how to claim this and how it really works. So if you are out there and you have been wasting money on buying profile account, this is an opportunity for you to get this one for free. And also, if you are new to forex trading and you are looking forward to buy a profile account, this is another opportunity for you to get your hands on a free profile account which you can test your forex trading skills on it and get paid if it's really profitable. So the name of the profile broker is called the VProp Trader, and as you can see, I've already downloaded mine from the Play Store already, and also this app is available on the App Store. If you are using an iOS, you can get it on your App Store also. And also don't forget to use my referral code or the referral link to get an account on this broker, so that whenever I use my referral link or the referral code to create your own account, you are going to be getting specific bonuses, and also you are going to be qualified to claim the free profile account. Because if you don't register with a affiliate link or a referral code, you are not going to be qualified to claim the profile free account, which is about $1,000 profile account. So let me just open the app, and you can see I'm going to show you how to activate your account and how you can claim the profile account. So after opening the app, or after you have downloaded and created your account on the app, you need to open the app directly to access the account. So immediately open it, you're going to be seeing this pop up on your screen, which all you need to do here, they are saying that challenge for all, free $1,000 profile account, or a free $1,000 limited time reward awaits. So all you need to do is to click on the free challenge, click on it, and it's going to bring you to this page where you can see the list of profile accounts that are available here. So you can see here they are saying free $1,000 challenge for all, and below here you can see they are saying extra free accounts app only. So that's what I'm telling you about. You need to use only the app to access this. That's why they are saying app only here. So you can see that if you go down, you can see there are two types of the profile account, which is the one-step account and also the two-step account. So this one is the one-step account, this one is the one-step account, and this one is the two-step account. So to understand the steps account, you can go down to this section where they are saying promotional introductions. So here they are saying that the one-step account come with a 1,000 challenge account, and if you go down below, you can see the promotion period here. They are saying that minimum 7 days profit here is about 10%, and at least 14 days funded account, that is going to be lasting for 14 days. That's the time limit, that's about 2 weeks. And you can see the withdrawal, that is after you reach the challenge, that is at least 10% of the account, and after that 14 days you can place your withdrawal. That's what they are saying. That's why you are seeing the challenge life cycle here. So what they are trying to say here is that for you to actually pass the challenge, you have to trade your account and you have to be on a profit of at least 10% of the total amount they are giving you in the profile account. So if it's a $1,000 account, at least you have to have about $100 above before you are going to be able to withdraw the profit from your account. So that's what they're saying here. And also, if you go down here, you can see the promotion rules here. They are saying this section, yes, you can see that only app user can claim one free $1,000 challenge account. You can see you need to have the app, and here they are saying this product is a one-step challenge. So you can see, if you go down here, you can see you must complete the challenge and request a payout within 20 days of receiving the account. So you can see it's about 20 days, it's lasting for 20 days. That's what they're saying here. But make sure you meet up within 14 days, because at this top here they are saying 14 days also. So make sure you meet up within 14 days, and the final challenge profit reach about 62.5. then the maximum bonus payout amount is about 20%. All these ones are bonuses, so if you meet up with the 10% of the account, you're going to be getting all these bonuses including also. So yeah, they are saying the risk management and challenge rules are the same as our real product. All participants must comply with the KYC and terms and conditions. So make sure you complete your KYC and the rest before you can claim the account. And if you go down here, you can see for the two-step challenge, which you can see at this section, you can see that minimum days for the first step. You can see on this second step challenge here, you can see here they are saying for you to get, you need to get about a 10% within 4 days, you can see. And the two-step challenge here, you can see they are saying you need to get 5% profit in the, that is within another 4 days, and then at least within 14 days you need to have up to those two amounts they are telling you, those two profit ratio they are telling you, then before you can place withdrawal. So if you go down, you can see the promotional rules here. You can see each user can claim one free $100 challenge account. This product is two-step challenge, so these are similar to the first rules. And you can see you must complete the challenge and request a payout within 30 days receiving the account. So this challenge account lasts for 30 days, which is about 1 month. And if you go down here, you can see the final challenge profit reaches 62.5. the maximum bonus payout is about $20 there. So these are just bonuses if you reach the ProFirm account and all that. So these are the two available ProFirm accounts they are going to be giving you out for free. So you can choose between these two, the one that is more convenient for you, the one that is going to be suitable for your trading strategy, and you can make use of it to be profitable and then have reasonable winnings for you to be able to pass the challenge. So that's it, and that is how it is. So if you select any of this and you unlock it, and for you to unlock it, you can just click on any of that, and after unlocking any of this, you can start trading from the app, or you can log in your ProFirm account into either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, because this app, this ProFirm broker supports those two MetaTraders, so you can select any of those to use it for trading. So these are what I really have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are going to pick interest on this and you can try it out. If you are there and you're looking for the best ProFirm account to buy, or where you can get the most affordable ProFirm account, this opportunity is for you. And you can see that this is really free, and also they also say normal ProFirm account if you want to buy. That's why you are seeing buy challenge here, and you can see free challenge here. So these are what I really have to share with you in today's video, and don't forget to join my Telegram community so that you don't miss any interesting update I'm going to be dropping there, and also my YouTube channel and then my TikTok account. So make sure you are following those channels so that you don't miss interesting update. And very important, don't forget to join my Telegram channel, because I will always drop interesting update here also. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you next in the next video. Peace.